Welcome to another truck hardware installation tutorial. Today we are installing our gunmetal tailgate letters on a 2018 Ford F-150. These letters are a great way to improve the overall look of your truck. And better yet, the tailgate letters are incredibly durable and easy to install. Remember, this video is to be used as a companion to the included installation instructions. Let's get started. Open the product packaging to confirm the contents. Dry fit each letter to the corresponding letter on the truck to confirm that everything fits and aligns correctly. Before installing the tailgate letters, clean the paint on the truck with isopropyl alcohol or acetone. If using acetone, take caution to not let it have prolonged exposure to the paint. We also recommend the use of an adhesion promoter, which can be bought from the truck hardware website. Now you're ready to install the tailgate letters. Peel back just a portion of the tape as shown and align the letter to the corresponding letter on the tailgate. Once in place and aligned, firmly press down on the peeled portion of the letter and proceed to remove the rest of the tape. Continue this process for the remaining letters. Once all the letters are installed, remove the protective frisket. Make sure to use a clean cloth so as not to scratch the stainless steel. Using your cleaner again, clean around the edges where the laser cut the frisket. Finish by cleaning the letters with some glass cleaner. Congratulations, you've just finished installing your tailgate letters. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe. Check out the rest of our channel and our website for additional tips, tricks, and installation guides. Thanks for choosing Truck Hardware.